Hi guys, welcome back to Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm going to be picking the winners for a couple of... I have to apologize. I did have a few different giveaways on different videos and I have not had the time at this point to get this video up. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of it right now for you guys. So I am picking winners for 4 different videos. It's all going to be in one. So the first one we're going with is... We're going to go with the tailor-made cards for you, vintage Christmas cards. So I am giving away one of those cards to a commenter that's commented on that video. So let me go ahead and get the random comment picker up for that specific video. So this is the random comment picker that I am using online, and here's the link for the video. And I want to filter duplicates. And let's go ahead and grab those comments. Okay, so it says that there were 19 comments. I did reply to everybody, so it doesn't count mine. And the winner is gonna be Miss Jeannie Ellis. Go ahead and write that one down. And I do have your address, Miss Jeannie, so I will get that out in the mail for you shortly. So the next one we're going to be going with is going to be the Scraphoarders 2 video. This is the one for the tags. So let me go ahead and grab that link. Okay, so we've got the link. Again, we're doing the same filter. Pulling those comments for you guys. And we are going to start picking. So this one is, I can't pronounce the name, Tricky Nicky Biatch. You have won. This is going to be the set of tags. So once you see this video, make sure that you send me an email at debbiej@debbiejscraftingcorner with your address, and I will be sending that one out to you. We get the next one pulled up, and this one is going to be for the winner of the Scraphoarders 3 video, which was that cute card made from the embellishments on the first video of the embellishment video, and a little bit extra with all of my scraps. Okay, so get that link put in there. Let's pull the comments. And then here we go with the winner for that one. And that is going to be Miss Shayla Carter. Again, Miss Shayla, if you could email me at debbiej@debbiejscraftingcorner.com, I will send that out to you. Just need you to say in the comment, in the subject line, winner and which one of the videos it's from, and leave me your address and I will get that card sent out to you. Okay, the last one that I have is from a live stream that we did on the 6th. On the 6th, we did the live stream for the curved cutout cards. That was so much fun. And I'm giving out 2 cards for that one. The first one was someone on the live, and that's going to Miss Gloria Wolf. That will be mailed out in the next day or so. And then the other one we're going to pull from here. So let me get that pulled up again as well. And it's taking me a minute to get in between everything because it's so many videos. Okay, so putting the link in the random comment picker. Let's go ahead and grab those. And let's see who wins. And that's going to be Miss TR from TR's Place, and I do have your mailing address as well. So I will go ahead and get those out in the next couple of days. just so that you guys know a little about what's going on. I have been doing some videos. We do a live stream every week, and lately I've been giving away one of the cards that's created during that. Actually, I do have another group of folks to pull from, but that's not going to be until this week's live. So what I've decided to do is if we're doing a giveaway on 1 week's live, then we will pull from the comments anybody who is winning from the comments on the next week's live. For this past week, we did a Christmas in July with Miss Elizabeth Costa Rogers and Kim Dixon, and each of us gave a card to, or giving a card to one of the folks that was in the live stream. We're also going to be doing a drawing next week for someone that was in the chat. So if you, in the comments. So if you haven't already watched the replay for that, make sure to watch the replay and comment in the comments, and we will be pulling 3 winners for that on next week's live. So until then, I will see you again later, and just remember, if I can make it, you can too. Have a great day.